Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing another part on this 2019 KTM 300XC. Today we're going to be installing this works connection rear brake reservoir cap. It's kind of just a bling thing. It doesn't really do anything for the bike. It just looks cool. So what you're going to need for this is a 21mm wrench. I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that there's no dirt here, which I've already checked. I'm going to go ahead and just break that loose and unthread it with your fingers if you can. Okay, now that you've got your rear brake reservoir cap off, you notice that it has kind of a dipstick type of thing in here and an O-ring on it. You're going to want to set this aside and keep it clean. Okay, now that you've gotten your cap off, you're going to remove this rubber piece here and you're going to set it aside because it is going to be reused, and there is an O-ring on your stock cap that if it's in good condition, which this one is, you're going to go ahead and pull that off and put it onto the new cap. To help me pull the O-ring off, I'm going to use this little pick that I have here. They do make O-ring specific picks. Okay, now I've got the O-ring off. I'm going to go ahead and insert this O-ring onto the new cap and just roll it over the threads with your thumbs and make sure that it's seated all the way against the top of the threads against the bottom of the cap. Now that you've got your new O-ring on and it's in the little groove here, you're going to go ahead and take this little rubber baffle piece and you're going to go ahead and insert it over the bottom of the cap. Now that you've made sure this is all clean, you got your O-ring and your thing on here, I'm going to go ahead and put the new cap onto your rear reservoir. Now I want to protect the look of this because it is anodized black aluminum and I've got this hard chrome wrench. I don't want to scratch up my cap, so I'm going to use a little piece of cloth here. I'm going to cover the hex head on here so that I can keep it scratch free while I tighten it down. Okay, now I've snugged this down and I didn't scratch a thing. It looks really good, and there probably is a torque spec in your manual for it. I'm not even going to check. I just snugged it down nice and tight, and as long as I don't have any leaks, we're done. Thanks for watching, guys.